Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to write a program in Python to transform a string to lowercase. That means we will be given a string and we are asked to convert it to lowercase. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So in order to write the program we are going to use VS Code, but it's not any compulsion. You can choose any ID of your own personal choice. So let's quickly move to VS Code. So first of all, let's create a new file and let the file name be simply code.py. Now the very first thing that we have to do is we have to take input from the user, right? And let's have a variable wherein we will store the input, and let the variable name be simply sentence itself. Now in Python we are aware that we can take input from the user with help of input. So what we are going to do is we will simply write input and then the comment. So let's write a relevant comment onto it, right? So this function will give us the string entered by the user, and that will be stored under a string, under sentence variable, right? Now one more thing we can add onto it, that is we can add strip method. So we are aware that strip method removes any leading or trailing characters, right? So over here what we want to remove, so we basically want to remove any leading or trailing spaces. So in that case, what we will do is we will simply write strip and then we will leave it empty. That is, the character that we are providing is space. So we are basically telling that if the user provides a string and if by chance, let's say if he or she has entered any leading or trailing spaces, then remove it and then finally store it under sentence variable. So this is what we are doing from this line. Now what we have to do is we simply have to convert it to the lower case. So how we will do it is, so in Python we can do it with the help of lower method. So what we are going to do, we will simply write sentence dot lower. So this thing will convert my entire string to lower case. Now let's store it in a variable so that we can use in later parts of the program, and let it be simply a sentence underscore lower case. Right now let's print it and see it. Right now let's print it and see it working. Comma, sentence in lowercase. Now let's run it quickly and see it's asking me to enter the string, and let it be simply hello there, I am learning to code in Python, right? And boom, here you can see that the entire string has been converted to lowercase. So this is how we can write a program in Python to convert a given string into lower cases with help of what? With help of simply lower. So this was all about the video. I hope you understood the things very clearly. But still, if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. We will surely try to solve it as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. Thank you.